Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel with me Argham Maiti, nutritionist, fitness trainer and a life coach. So hope you are all doing well and safe in this morbid situation. But still, whatever I say, you are doing well or something like that. We are living in a life which is, it's not a flawless in the sense we used to get depressions, we used to get some anxiety, stress when we are not get success, when you are having some issues. This is very common in our life and we can't get rid of it. And sometimes also we get some issue where we get into that much of deep depression, and it's very difficult for us to come out from there, and anxiety as well. So in all of this, I thought of that I should come out with such some of those food that I should present in front of you that can help you to at least to change your mood, and also can help you to come out with the depression and anxiety as well. So therefore today I am going to show you those respective 10 foods that is and basically I have planned to show you those are the foods very much you know we used to get in our daily diet, and also we can arrange this very easily from our local market. So this kind of foods I have planned to show you, so then it will be very easy for you to arrange those foods and you can add in your daily diet. So today's video is about that, how you can come out with the depression and anxiety and stress with the help of food. So before coming to the topic, please do subscribe this channel and click the bell icon next to it, so then you will get the upcoming video notifications. And this subscription is very much free. There is no you don't need to pay any further thing for this at all. Okay, so please do subscribe. If you like my videos, please do subscribe and click the bell icon next to it, so when I'll just upload my video you will get the notification and you can watch my videos with some new topics that can help you to sort out your issues. Okay, so now this is the time to start the topic, so let's jump into it. So now I am going to discuss about today's topic, that is how food can help you out to come out from depression, anxiety and stress. Okay, and by this way it will help you to change your mood and elevate your mood. Okay, so here I am going to mention 10 foods, and after that I will give you some suggestions that how you have to utilize this food in your daily diet. Okay, so number one food is banana. Banana is very much useful to elevate your mood and help you to come out from depression, anxiety and stress. And how it works: banana, it's rich in potassium. Okay, so potassium, actually all we know that potassium helps manage our blood pressure level. Okay, mainly the high blood pressure. Okay, so in that way, and also banana containing with vitamin B6, so this too helps to elevate our mood. Okay, so number one food is banana. The number two food, dark green leafy vegetables. Okay, so dark green leafy vegetables, how it works to elevate our mood: it is rich in magnesium. Okay, these are all rich in magnesium, and magnesium, actually how it works, it actually relax our muscles and nerves. Okay, so in this way it helps to elevate our mood. Okay, number three, pulses. It means we are usually called dal in Hindi. Okay, so these are the pulses rich in amino acids. We know it's a good source of protein, and as well as it has a good amount of magnesium as well. So in this context, magnesium, all we know how it works is relax our muscles and our nerves as well. So in this context, In this way we are we are being relaxed, and it's help to elevate our mood. Okay. Number 4, berries. Any kind of berries, that is blueberry, blackberry, raspberries, whatever it is, berries helps to change your mood, to elevate your mood. Okay. Why and how it's possible? Because berries containing with flavonoids, antioxidant. Okay, and this flavonoid is very much useful to elevate our mood. Okay. So food number 5 is walnut. How walnut works to elevate our mood? Walnut, already all we know, the walnut rich in omega-3, and with that also this walnut helps to produce the serotonin. Serotonin, it's a hormone actually, which keeps us active and steady, and therefore by this way it helps to elevate our mood. Okay. Number 6, dark chocolate. How dark chocolate works? And dark chocolate actually containing with a type of chemical which helps to elevate our mood. Okay. So number 6. Number 7, green tea. Okay. So how green tea works? Because green tea also containing with a type of antioxidant. Okay, that helps to elevate our mood and reduce our depressions and anxiety and all stress. Okay. Now then number 8, coffee. How coffee helpful for to de-stress or reduce our stress? Definitely in this context, coffee, all you know that it's containing with that several compounds which helps to elevate our mood. These are the compounds are caffeine, polyphenols, etc. Okay. So these are the compounds useful to elevate our mood and de-stress us. Okay. Now number 9 is yogurt or curd. Okay. So in Hindi it's dahi. Okay. So yogurt and curd, how it works? Yogurt and curd containing with probiotics. Okay. And probiotics, normally all we know, it's a good bacteria, good gut bacteria. Okay. But at the same time it helps to produce that serotonin, and serotonin, it's a active hormone. Okay. It keeps ourselves active. Okay. So by this way definitely it also helps to elevate our mood. Okay. Then number 10 is citrus food. Citrus food, for instance, orange, lime, these are also very useful to elevate our mood, to change our mood. Okay. Helps to de-stress ourselves. How? Because these are the citrus food has its appealing fresh fragrances, that all we know. Okay. So definitely it also might be sometimes helps to reduce our stress and also reduce our depressions, anxiety, and elevate our mood. Okay. So these are the 10 foods that I have mentioned to you. This is very much useful to reduce your stress level, anxiety level, depressions. Okay. And on the other side, it helps to elevate your mood and make yourself more relaxed and calm. Okay. So now the point is how you have to use those foods in your daily diet. Okay. So here, being a nutritionist, I can suggest that you, first of all, you have to choose one of these foods which is very much, I mean, you can adjust with that. You don't have any such issues with the digestion, and you have some other issues that you have some allergic problem or something like that with this food and all. So you have to choose the food which is very much adjustable for you, which is very much effective for you. Okay. So this is the first point that I will suggest you. Now the second point is what I will suggest, that don't think that you have to choose one or two foods from here. Okay, you go and choose it's if it's possible for couple of foods from this chart that I have just mentioned, or from those from this food that I have just mentioned to you, which is helpful for you to de-stress yourself. Okay, so in this context you choose couple of foods and intermittently change those foods in your diet. Okay, don't take any specific food in continuously, because our body is something that all we know. If we take the similar way, similar thing continuously, sometimes it's not utilize that good effect of those foods and all very usefully, I mean very usefully, actually very effectively, all I can say. So in that context, definitely you must alter those foods intermittently. Okay, so that will helpful for you to get the best benefit from those respective foods that you are adding in your diet to reduce your depression, anxiety, stress, and elevate your mood. Okay, so hope I have mentioned that the topic very clearly to you, and it's become very much useful for you to add those useful for you to reduce your stress, depression, and anxiety by adding those respective foods in your daily diet after you figure out which one you need to add and how you need to add. Okay, so that's all I wanted to say. So I think I made myself clear to you, and so that's all for today. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please click the thumbs up, and also don't forget to share with your friends, because you are not sharing. If you don't share, so definitely I'll get less comments, less like, or I'm making videos and nobody is going to watch, or less person is going showing the interest. So definitely sometimes it's not makes me more desirable towards that. So definitely I am trying to give my best to serve you the better knowledge on food that can help you, because food is something which is a fuel of our body. So hope you understand the thing, and that's all for now. On this note, till the next one, stand in fear with confidence. Have a good luck. Bye.